I almost skipped Sondo AI. Seriously. When I first saw it, I thought it was just another AI tool trying to ride the hype wave. You know the type. Big promises, fancy website, claims that it'll save hours every week. I've seen enough of those to be skeptical, but after spending some time with Sondo AI, I realized something. This tool isn't trying to do everything, and weirdly enough, that's what makes it interesting. The first thing that caught my attention was how quickly I could get started. No complicated setup, no overwhelming dashboard. Within a few minutes, I understood what the platform was trying to help me accomplish. And honestly, that matters more than people think. Most AI tools lose users before they ever see the value because the learning curve is too steep. Sondo AI felt different. Then I started using it for actual work, not demo tasks, real work, research, planning, content ideas, day-to-day productivity stuff. That's when I noticed the biggest benefit. The tool wasn't saving me hours with one magical feature, it was saving me minutes over and over again. And those minutes started adding up. That's the part most reviews miss. People are looking for revolutionary improvements. Sometimes the real value is simply removing friction. Fewer repetitive tasks. Less switching between tabs, less wasted effort. Now, here's where things get interesting. I think Sondo AI can either be a hidden goldmine or a complete waste of money depending on who you are. If you're a business owner, freelancer, agency operator, or content creator, there's a good chance you'll use it regularly. And that's where the value shows up. Small productivity gains repeated every day become a huge advantage over time. But if you're only opening the tool once in a while, the math changes completely. Because AI subscriptions don't become expensive because of the price. They become expensive when you're not using them. That's the mistake a lot of people make. They buy tools because they're excited, not because they have a workflow problem that needs solving, and 6 weeks later, they're paying for software they barely remember exists. After testing Sondo AI, my opinion is pretty simple. The platform does what it's supposed to do. It helps you move through work faster, it removes friction, it simplifies certain tasks, but it doesn't replace skill, it doesn't replace strategy, and it definitely doesn't replace execution. That's still your job. So is Sondo AI a hidden goldmine? For the right user, absolutely. Is it a costly mistake? It can be, especially if you're collecting AI subscriptions instead of solving real problems. The best AI tool isn't the one with the most features, it's the one that becomes part of your daily workflow. And that's the question I'd answer before spending any money on Sondo AI. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.